guys. Okay, so as you can see, I've got nothing on my nails. I took everything off when I went to the studio, and I've been waiting for a couple of bits to arrive. I've ordered a new brush from the Glitter Fairy, and I'm going to do a comparison because my existing brush is cheap, and I suspect it performs like a cheap brush. So I'm going to do a comparison as soon as that arrives. I know, and just to let any of you guys know, that if you have ordered from Lucy, the Glitter Fairy, she is slower than normal because she's had medical leave at the moment. And I think she's off until mid-March. So it's taking a little bit longer to arrive. I'm like a child waiting for Christmas. But in the meantime, I want to show you a couple of bargain buys that I've got. Firstly, I want to show you what I got from Morrisons. I was just doing some shopping and I picked up this kit for £1, and it had 2 pots like this in it that go there. And they're perfect for your glitters. So I've just decanted some glitter into it. This is Fairy Dust by Smiley's Glitter Store. Take a look at that. I've got, there you go. Isn't that stunning? I was literally just looking around, and I bought 2 of these sets because my girls are in army cadets and they often go away, so it's good for shampoo and conditioner. There's a funnel to decant, there's labels, there's a spatula, all for £1. And also these spray bottles come in handy, so I've actually put my gel residue wipe-off solution in one of these. I've labelled it obviously, and it's really handy because I find when I'm tipping I seem to use so much. But just having a little squirt on the lint-free pad and then using that, I'm using so much less. So that's that. A lot of you have contacted me and asked about the nails that I sculpted on my mum, who has the very damaged fingers, and I can't wait to show you. It's been, crikey, has it been 2 weeks now? I think it's been about 2 weeks. I can't wait to show you. I will be recording that tomorrow, so that's going to be good. I also received this. Check this packaging out. This is from Glitter Planet. Look at that. I'll leave the link below. I finally ordered the pre-pinched stiletto tips. Oh, cute angelic music. These are amazing, and the price is fantastic. You get a 10% code off your next order, which I think is wonderful, and I love the quality of this as well. I love it, and obviously it's got a unicorn on it, so I'm going to love it. And then on the back it's just got details there, so you can actually freeze frame that, but I will put the link in description box below. Okay, this is just details of what I've ordered, and I believe they were like £12, I think. They're stunning. Let's open them up and have a look. Obviously you can decant them if you want. I know that the sizes, in fact, Lorna's put up a video, so I will link her video, okay, so that you guys can, if you're thinking of getting them, you can understand a little bit more about how to use them. I was trained with tips, and I wasn't trained particularly well with tips. I just did a very, very basic acrylic course where I went in for a couple of days and I was taught to prep the nail and look for contraindications and everything. In fact, they probably spent more time on prep, sterile settings and everything like that than they did on the actual application, which is good, I guess, which is why I'm going to be training and gaining more qualifications in advanced acrylic. I want to do Russian almonds, I want to do 4D work. So I was just taught, shove a tip on and wax some acrylic over it, and that was it. Or hard gel. I was taught in hard gel as well. No apex building, no structure, no pinching, no C-curve. I didn't know anything about that when I trained 4.5 years ago. And then obviously taking time out for health reasons, I had time to sit back and learn and teach myself. So let me start with the smallest. Now I've got tiny nails, as you can see, they're quite small. I've got tiny wrists as well. Every time I get a watch, I have to have a links taken out or get a child's watch. So let me show you the smallest size. They are diddy. I mean, they are diddy. The C curve is amazing. I'll show you on a bigger one, but I mean the smallest size actually isn't too bad for me. If the smallest size fits me. Normally, even in a standard kit, the smallest size is too big for me and I have to file it down and alter it, and I still will have to alter the shape of these slightly. Let me show you the bigger one. So this is the biggest, so you can have a look at the C curve in more detail, and I'm telling you, these are strong tips. They are rigid. I think it's probably because of the amount of C curve in there. I'm just hoping you can see that all right. I will zoom in. They're really curved. I mean, they're massive for my thumb, look. Miles too big. But I think the size range is great. Being pre-pinched in salon, once you get down how to apply these tips, in salon you're going to save so much time and money, because really if you're pinching in salon you're going to be wanting more than one pinching tool, and they're not cheap. And I know some people do say, oh, I just get cheap pinching tools, but I've learned really the more expensive pinching tools do have a firmer pinch on them, and they do what they're supposed to do. I said do. Anyway, I love these tips. I love the shape. I cannot wait to work with them. I think I might start, because I've got a collaboration coming up. I might start using my non-dominant hand to do my right hand today, because the weather's rubbish, so I'm not doing anything anyway. Even though I'm waiting for my new brush. My old brush is, I've brought my old brush back to life, but it's just not as good, is it? So yes, there we are. That's my little bargain buy. This kit was absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to check in with you guys. Hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Please keep sharing. I will do a giveaway when I get to 1,000 subs, which I know is ages away, but let's keep supporting each other. If you do nail videos and you want me to look at them and support you, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram or in YouTube on my DMs, and I will support you gladly. If you want to collaborate, then hit me up again. I mean, I'm always open for collaborations and sharing artistic ideas. I think that's a great way of networking within the nail community. It has to be. I mean, I have a main YouTube channel where I do music. I'm a singer-songwriter, and I still feel that this side of YouTube, the nail art, is the most supportive community that I've been involved with. It's absolutely wonderful. If you want to check out my other channel and you like a bit of comedy and music and general silliness, then I will put the link below. If it's not for you, that's absolutely fine. But if you do, what I will say is, if you do come on and say hello, comment, give a shout out, and then I will make sure that I've subscribed to you on my other channel, and also that other people can subscribe to you as well, because I have quite a few subscribers on there. I've got over 1,000, so you know, it's doing well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will be recording tomorrow and hopefully again in another couple of days. So I'll see you soon. Bye!